Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we will explain more about how we can assign different plan for voice versus data. Alright, so yeah, let's dive in. You need to go back on this page on your screen, on your iPhone screen, and then you need to look for the settings, the gear icon. So once you are already on the settings, this is the page that you can see, and then you need to look for the word cellular and tap it, and then after that look for the word cellular data. After you click the word cellular data, you will see just two options. The two option or label is the label that you've chose for each line number that you have for your eSIM. Okay, so that depends on you. Okay, if it is business, travel, or you customize it. And then you need to choose one check mark. So if you do have two phone number at the same time to postpaid account, you do have unlimited data. So case to case basis, it depends on you. But if you do have a prepaid line number and a postpaid account, so I think for prepaid account you do have like a limitation for data, or it depends what plan that you chose. But for the postpaid, it's all unlimited, so it depends on you what is the cellular plan that you've use in each criteria. Okay, so next is for the default voice line. This is the default line number that you will be using in making calls. Okay, so it depends if you will choose a primary or secondary, and again it depends what is the label that you've chose for each eSIM line number that you have. Okay, next is you are all set up if that's the case. Just remember each data, or each label that you've chose for cellular data or default voice line. All right, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you learned something on my video, and please click the subscribe and like button below. Okay, thank you.